In this video, we will make a calculator app using ChatGPT. First, let's ask ChatGPT to write us a Python script to build a calculator app with a graphical interface. ChatGPT will then write code for us. It will be using tkinter for the graphical interface. The script will create a simple calculator with a 4x4 grid of buttons for the digits 0 to 9, and the basic arithmetic operations. When the equals button is clicked, the script will evaluate the expression in the display and display the results. ChatGPT is now done. We can now copy the code and paste it into our calculator.py file. Save the file. Now run the file. As you can see, when we run the file, the calculator app will open. When I do 2 plus 5, it will give me the correct answer of 7. I can also do 8 plus 3, which gives me the correct answer of 11. Let me try out 2 more arithmetic operations. 8 times 8 sure does equal 64. And that's how you build a calculator app using ChatGPT.